Hello friends, welcome back again in the new video of Python language actually. So our today's topic is Python arithmetic operations. In other words, I would say that we are going to learn something related to math. Everyone knows about math, few people love, few people don't love math. So here I'm just trying to explain very basic thing which we already know, but how we can do that in Python and how Python interpreter uh, uses those to execute the expressions or the statements. We'll look into that. So in this video we are going to learn two things. One is the Python arithmetic operators, and second is operator precedence, which is very important actually. So quickly I will write here that what are the operators we have in Python. So we know that plus, minus, multiplication, divide, we have exponential, we have modular, we have floor division. So we'll look into this one by one. So basically plus is like 2 plus 2 plus 3 might be, this is plus, everyone knows about this. 5 minus 2, this is 3 now. About the multiplication, 2 into 3, 6. For division, 4 by 2, 4 by 2, this is 2.0. We just need to take care that when we divide here with this symbol, then it gives us the quotient, that is 2. If I am going to write 2 by 2, then the main thing is 2.5. but if we are going to use the modular here, then you can see that what will be the remainder, that will be the result. Okay, now what else left? Yeah, that is next is exponential. So exponential is nothing but a power which we know in mathematics, 2 power 2 or 3 power 2, like that. So this is 4. Same thing if I'm going to do with the 3, the answer would be 9. Now again if I'm going to do 3 power 3, then this is 27. What else will left? Yeah, next is the floor division, that is this. So let me write in the comment so that you guys can remember this. This is floor division. So we'll look with the example, like what is it and what it does, so that it would be helpful to explain it. See, so here result is 6. So what this floor division does, it basically, if you go to the definition which mentioned in the Python doc, that is the division of operands where the result is the quotient in which the digits after the decimal points are removed. So here we are going to check that this remove the point basically in this case, because we don't have. But if I'm going to write 13.0 floor division with the same 2.0, now you can see this is the 6.0. and if I'm going to do the same thing with the minus symbol, then that is 13 by 4. So this is minus 4, and the same thing if I'm going to do minus 13 and by 3, this is minus 5. Okay, so you can see it increases by the next one number, but this is in minus, that's why it's increasing, and it goes to the minus 5. But the same thing if I going to do with this, you can see the result, this is minus 5.0. Pretty much clear, I guess. So as we are going to cover two things in this video, first is the Python arithmetic operators, which is a normal mathematics, and we know about that. This is one thing. Second is the very important topic, that is the operator precedence. So before going to learn the operator precedence, just let me show you one quick example. Let's say we have 2 plus 3 into 2, then here you can see the result is 8. But if I'm going to write 2 plus 3 into 2, then simple mathematics, the answer will be 10, because the first this expression is going to execute, that is 2 plus 3 5, and then 5 into 2 2 here, because the priority of this bracket uh, symbol, that is the more precedence than this multiplication operator. So the same thing we'll learn here. So let me change this to markdown, and I will mention here that here we are going to learn that operator precedence. Okay, now I will check the new. So this is very simple. If we really know, simple means if it's very simple to identify what will be the result of this kind of statement or expression, you can say, if we know the sequence of this precedence. So the first sequence is this symbol. So if we have any expression and this symbol is available there, so first this is going to be executed by the Python interpreter. Next is this exponential. Okay, next is either that would be the multiplication or division. Next then plus minus. Okay, so this is the sequence where the Python interpreter use this sequence to execute our statement or the expression. So now I will come to the next cell, and let's take some example here, random anything I will write which is coming to my mind. Might be, let's say some bracket here, make it 3 into, make it 4, then plus 5, then this. Yeah, so we have added all, I guess. Yes, so here first quickly we'll check that what is the output. So here output is the 15.y. So we'll again copy paste here in the down, and we'll try to check like what is exactly happening here to get this output 15.5. So here, as I mentioned, that this symbol is going to execute first, and in this symbol you can see that we have again some expression where we have multiplication and the plus symbols. So first priority is this multiplication, so this is going to be 12. Fine. Now again this would be 17. So now we can remove this symbol and we can make it 17. Now what else? What is the next which is in the sequence? Yes, that is divide. So here if this is going to divide, then what will be the 2, and here is this going to divide, then what will be 10.5. Now this is simple addition. 2 plus 3 5, 5 plus 2 7, and 7 plus 8.5 is 15.5. So this is the output, and this is the way by which Python interpreter choose the sequence and perform the operations for any expressions. I hope guys you really know now about this, like what are the Python arithmetic operators available and what they do, and what are the sequence or precedence of those operators. So guys, this is a basic mathematics, everyone know this is not that much stuff, but the motto was here to explain, to quickly remind this mathematics operations, and the most important was the operator precedence, which is gonna to help you to identify, to write any expression and quickly understand that what would be the output of that. Hope you guys get something new, basically who really don't know any programming languages and they want to learn this Python. This is my motive, so that those people also come and learn something new before going to Python intermediate or the expert levels programming. Thank you guys. Thanks a lot.